morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the leveling problem. We are going to find the RL of given object, RL, reduced level of given object by any one of the reduction method. Already we know there are two reduction methods used to find the RL of given object. First one is rise and fall method. Second one is height of instrument method or height of collimation method. Here we can find the RL of given object by any one of the reduction method used in leveling survey. Here not mentioned which method is used to find the RL of object is. So we are going to find the RL of given object by any one of the reduction method. Now we are using rise and fall method to find this to solve this problem. Okay, this is the given problem. The following staff readings were observed with a level. The instruments have been moved after third, sixth, and eighth readings. The readings are 2.228, 1.606, 0.988, and so on. Finally, the requirement is to find the RL of given this object by any one of the reduction method. Okay. If the RL of benchmark is 432.384 meters, by using the known RL of benchmark 432.384, we can find the RL of given object. This is the problem given here. We are going to solve this problem by using rise and fall method only. Okay. Here in this problem, the instrument have been moved after third, sixth, and eighth reading. Okay. This is the given here. 1, 2, 3. 0.988. This is the third reading. Next 2.0905.6. 1.262 is the sixth reading. And 1.982 is the eighth reading. Here the instrument have been moved after third observation. So the first three observations, 2.228, 1.060, 0.988 observations are made in first station. After third one, the instrument have been moved. Okay. Next 2.90. Next remaining 3 from 4 to 6. Remaining 3 readings were observed from second station. Okay, second station. Next 2 readings are taken from third station. Okay, all the remaining readings are taken by next station, fourth. Okay, so what is given here? The instrument have been moved after third, sixth, and eighth reading. So first 3 readings are observed in station 1. Next 3 up to 1.262 taken from second station. 2 readings are 0.602, 1.982. 2 readings are taken at third station. Remaining are from fourth station. Okay, these are all the given here. Here, the first station, the first and foremost observation taken from the every station is known as backside. Already we know backside is the observation taken at the first observation taken from the station is called backside. So the first reading is called backside reading for the station 1. This is only for station 1, backside reading. the last reading taken from the station is called foresight. So here the last reading is third one. So third one known as foresight, FS. Okay, the remaining readings are known as intermediate size. So from the first station, backside reading, the first reading is known as backside, the last reading is known as foresight. The backside reading observation, the foresight observation, and one intermediate site observation also taken from station 1. Second station also same. The 2.090 is the first reading taken from the second station. So the first reading is known as backside reading. Last reading of second station is 1.262. So it is known as foresight. The remaining readings are intermediate site. In third station, the two observation only made. So first station known as backside, last station foresight. So here intermediate site is not observed because only 2 station readings were observed. So only backside and foresight readings were observed. Fourth stations also the same. First reading is foresight, backside, and last reading is foresight. So these are all the given here by using the RL of benchmark. What is mean by benchmark? Already we know the point whose elevation is known as called benchmark. Benchmark is used as a reference. So what is the benchmark given here? 432.384 meters. So this is the reference value. By using this reference 432.384 benchmark value, we can find the RL of given object. This is the problem here. We can solve this problem by using rise and fall method. How can solve? We can see the step-by-step procedure. This is the table used to find out the RL of given observation by using rise and fall method. First of all, we will enter the given observation into the table, right? Now we are already we discussed it. Number of observation taken by using level instrument. Here the above given problem, the third, sixth and the eighth reading, after the eighth readings, the instrument has been moved. So in the first station, 3 readings only observed. After third reading, we will shift the instrument have been shifted to the next station. After sixth also, the instrument have been shifted to third station. So the first station, only 3 readings were observed. The readings are, already we know, the first and foremost value taken from the station is called backside. The last reading is called as foresight reading. Okay. So first 3 readings are taken from station 1. First reading 2.228. So all the first readings are entered in the backside 2.228. Okay. So last reading of the given observation is 0.988. So between backside and foresight value, here the intermediate site is available. So I can enter 1.606 in intermediate site. Okay, yeah. The last reading of first station is 0.988 in foresight. Okay, yeah. The above observations already given in the problem. After third reading, instrument have been shifted like that. Okay. So first 3 readings only observed at station 1. So I can write the remarks column. This is the change point 1. Okay? Because after the third reading, the instrument have been moved to station 2. Okay? Then from the station 2, another 3 readings were observed. Okay, after 6th only, the second station have been moved to another station. So, the readings observed at the station 2 are 3 readings. So, that is also the first reading entered in backside. Okay, 2.090. Why I am entered the backside reading in the same row means here the change point will introduced after the third observation. So where I taken last reading at the previous station, from that station only we have continue the next observation. So the same point I have taken the foresight and also backside reading in the same point. Yeah. Here also 3 readings are available. The first and last readings are first readings backside, last reading foresight. The second one is intermediate side 2.864. The last reading is 1.262. Again, the instrument has been moved after the 6th reading into next station. So I can write the change point 2 here. Okay. Next, 7th and 8th readings are taken at station 3. The 7th reading and the 8th reading, only 2 readings were observed. So the first reading is backside 0.602. Last reading is 1.982 foresight value. Okay. After 8th reading also instrument have been moved. So I wrote the change point 3rd in remarks column 4. This is the problem given here. We can find the reduced level of the given observations using rise and fall method. So this is the first step. Enter the given observation into the table. Yeah. Step 2. Find the rise or fall value. How to find the rise and fall? Rise or fall. The equation is used to find the rise or fall. Equal to the difference between the successive values. Therefore, last reading minus next reading. Okay, that means successive reading, the difference between the successive reading. So we can find the rise and fall. If the difference is positive, it means rise value. The difference is positive means that is rise. If the difference is negative means that is fall. Okay. First you can find the rise and fall value. The first reading of one more given is there. The RL of benchmark is given in the problem. What is the RL of benchmark? 432.384. 384. That is the RL of benchmark given in the problem. Okay. These values are given. We can find the rise and fall value. First, the last reading and first reading. Subtract these two values. What is the difference? 2.228 minus 1.606 is equal to plus 0.622. So the value is positive because I wrote the enter the difference in rise column. Okay, the difference is 0.622. 2.228 minus 1.606 equal to plus 0.622. The positive value is rise, negative value is fall. So I wrote the difference in rise column. Okay. Next, difference between these next two readings. 1.606 minus 0.988. 1.606 minus 0.998 equal to 0 plus 0.618. It is also lie on rise table because the difference is positive. Okay, next difference between these two, next two. 2.090 minus 2.864. The difference is negative. So I can write the value in fault column. Okay, minus 0.774. The difference is minus 2.090 minus 2.864 is equal to minus 0.774. The value is negative because so I wrote the value in fall column. Okay. Next, difference between these two values. 2.864 minus 1.262 is equal to plus 1.602. The value is positive. So the rise. I wrote the enter the value into rise column. Next, the difference between these two. 0.602 minus 1.982 is equal to minus 1.380. The difference is negative. I entered the value in fall table. 1.380. Okay. Next, difference between these two. This is also negative one, so I can write in fall table minus 1.640. 1.640. Okay. Second step over. Determination of rise and fall is over. By using the given observation, you can find the rise and fall value. Here, three differences are in rise and remaining are in fall. Okay. So next step is find the RL of object. What is the equation used here? RL of object equal to RL of benchmark plus or minus rise or fall. If the value is lie on rise column, so we can add to the benchmark. If the value is fall, we can subtract from the benchmark. So RL of benchmark is given in the problem 432.384. Okay, the RL of next object is adding these two values 432.384 plus 0.622. Why we are going to add? Because this difference is lie on rise only. So if the what is the equation here? RL equal to RL of benchmark plus or minus rise. If the value is rise, we can add. If the value is fall, we can subtract. Okay. RL of benchmark plus rise 432.384 plus 0.622. Answer is 433.006. Okay. Why we are adding this one? Because the difference is lie on rise one. Okay. Next point. The RL of next point is RL of previous one plus or minus rise or fall. The next value is also lie on rise. So we add these two. 433.006 plus 0.618 equal to 433.624. Okay, the RL of next point. RL of next point. The next difference is lie on fall only. So we can subtract the RL of previous point minus 0.774. What is the value? 432.8 850. Okay, next RL of next point 432.850 plus 1.602. That is the value 434.452. Next fall value minus the RL from fall. 434.452 minus 1.380 equal to 433.072. Last one also negative. So 433 minus 1.640. 432. That is the final answer. So we are find the RL of given object by rise and fall method from the given observation. Observation given here is the 2.228. The observation is the first three. After the third reading, instrument have been shifted. So I can enter the first and last reading into back side and foresight value. Remaining is intermediate side. The second session also, after the sixth one is instrument have been shifted. So I can write like this. Eighth station also instrument station moved, changed. So these are all the given observation. By using the given observation, you can find the rise and fall value. What is the rise or fall equal to last reading minus next reading. So difference between the successive value. The difference between the successive values are positive means that is lie on rise. If the difference is negative means it is lie on fall table. Finally, you can find the reduced level. Reduced level RL of reduced object equal to RL of benchmark plus or minus rise or fall. So you can add or subtract the value. Find here. You can find the final reduced level. So how to check the determined values are right or wrong? Here the arithmetic check is used to find these RLs are right or wrong. Okay. For rise and fall method, the arithmetic check used here is sum of backside minus sum of foresight is equal to sum of rise minus sum of fall is equal to last RL minus first RL. The summation of backside. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 backside values are available. The adding these 4 is the sum of backside. The sum of backside value is 5.964. 5.964 minus sum of foresight. Foresight also 4 values. The sum of foresight is 6.916. 6.916 equal to sum of rise. Sum of rise equal to 2.842. Minus sum of fall 3.794. 3.794 equal to last RL 431.432. 431.432 minus first RL 432.384. These all the difference are equal. If it is not equal, the calculations of the above observation is wrong. Okay? Find the difference. Minus 0.952 equal to the difference between 2.842 minus 3.794 is also minus 0.952. The last RL minus first RL is also minus 0.952. Hence, okay. Okay? Hence okay. So final answer of the above observation are this one. Okay? Thank you.